Hello children, how are you? In the last class we discussed about our relative pronouns. In that we discussed four relative pronouns: who, whom, what and which. Who, whom, what and which. So after that, today we will discuss whose, when, where and that. Relative pronoun. Means who relates. Relative pronouns, first thing, relates one thing to another, or we can say join or connect one sentence to another sentence. In that, today's our first relative pronoun is whose. So we discuss about whom. In that, we find out that whom comes for person only, but if the person, but it comes only on for object or objective case. Here use whose. In that whose, I have written here some formulas. In that you can see that T, V. Three symbols are there. P stands for person. You can write it in your notebook. P stands for person, V stands for verb, and T stands for things or thing. So in our first formula is there P means person blank plus thing plus verb and blank. If any sentence is there like this, then what will come? Only whose will come. For example, the man shirt is blue is my uncle. Now, see what will come here? Only whose. Only whose. Next one, we can take more. So these are the formulas. If sentence is like this or following this formula, then only whose will come. And do not confuse between whose and whom. They follow the sense. They will follow the sense also. It depends on sense that what should we use. The man blank car you borrowed is my neighbor. So what will come here? Whose. What? Whose. So it is very simple. When in the sentence the formula is person blank thing plus verb If it is following like that, then what will come? Only whose. If there is person plus thing plus person plus verb, then also it will fill up with whose. In the next, person plus person plus person. The man blank son you taught is my uncle. The man blank son you taught is my uncle. What will come here? Only whose. Now see, before the whose, man, person. After that, after blank, person blank plus t, thing. Here, thing. Here, you, person. Verb here, verb here, verb here. P, son, person, you, person, thought, verb. So all formulas are there, and we have to fill it with the whose. Note it down all the points in your notebook. When you are note it down. When first pause the video, then note down all the points. Next one is when. When comes only for time. If there is time before the blank, if there is time before the blank, then only time when only relative pronoun is there, that will come when. For example, it was midnight, blank, the thief entered the house. So before the blank, what is here? Midnight. Midnight shows us time. Midnight shows us time. Then what will come here? When. Simple. Next one, where. For time, only pronoun is there, relative pronoun is there, when. Then for the place, only pronoun is there, where. This is the temple. This is the temple. Gandhiji was shot dead. This is the temple. What will come here? Where? This is the temple where Gandhiji was shot dead. Next, so for the times we have to use only when, relative pronoun, and for the place we have to use only where, relative pronoun. Next one is that. So when you are using that, for that can use on the place of who, whom, which. But there are some conditions that should be followed by us. In that, first condition is there, if there is any superlative degree before the noun. If there is any superlative degree before the noun, then before the noun means antecedent. Before the noun, then it will followed by that. For example, Mohan is the tallest boy. Mohan is the tallest boy. Reads in our school. Now here, noun, this one is noun, the tallest, superlative degree. Before the noun means antecedent, superlative degree, then followed by that. So simple. Second one, if the sentence is interrogative, if the sentence is interrogative, then also who is he? Blank troubles you. The identification of interrogative sentence, question mark is there, starting with WH. Then who is he? Blank troubles you. Who is he that troubles you? What it is. You like, blank, you like. What it is that you like. What it is that you like. So second one. Number 3. Condition number 3. In the sentence, if there is person plus thing or person plus animal, not both, only one, person plus thing or person plus animal is present before blank space. Before the blank space, if there is person plus thing or person plus animal, then only that will come there. For example, the man and the dog. Now, see the carefully. Blank. Leave, you see, leave the next door. So here it is. The man, person, the dog, animal. What will come here? Then the man and the dog. That you see. Leave the next door. Next one. Next condition is if there is preposition after relative clause. If there is preposition after relative clause, then that will come here. I know the man blank. You are Now here preposition, and after relative clause, then what will come here? That. I know the man that you are talking about. But if the sentence is like this, I know the man about whom you are talking. If preposition is present here before the relative clause, then what will come here? Whom, not that. What will come here? Whom, not that. And last condition is there, if in the sentence these words are there, only, any, shame, only, any, same, all, nothing, no one, nobody, little. If these words are there present, then they followed by that only. They will followed by that. For example, all that glitters, all that glitters are not gold. This is the famous quotation. All that glitters, is not gold. All that glitters is not gold. This is the example of that one. So this is it for today.